Students and parents, welcome to our online English classes for this week. Today we'll be revising sound O. As I mentioned before, we'll be revising sound O. Let's read together. O, bo, ko, do, fo. Go, ho, jo, ko, lo. Mo, no, ho, ro, so. To, vo, wo, yo, zo. These are all sound O. Let's create words using sound O. Box, box. Ko, cot. Dog, dot. Ho, hot. To, top. Mo, mo. Let's revise one more time. Sound O. O, bo, ko, do, fo, go, ho, jo, ko, lo. Mo, no. Ho, ro, so. To, vo, wo, yo, zo. Here we have our words which we made with sound O. Let us read. Box, box. Coat, cot. Dot, dot. Hot, hot. Top, top. Mop, mop. Pot, pot. Let's sing a song. Let's begin. Thank you so much for joining us again. Stay safe and hope to see you next time.